This NAS, North American Services, very nice. And my friend also, he went Poland from this company, and finally.
Hello everyone, welcome to NASK channel. Today we have one more success story. Mr. Nasser from Bangladesh received his work permit today from Poland. Mr. Nasser, congratulations. Thank you for coming. Thank you for joining this morning to share your happiness with our followers out there. Yes, before we move to the explaining to you your work permit, what is a package including, I just want to share a little bit about yourself. How do you know about North American Service Center? How long you been in Emirates, and why you choose Poland? We just want to know all maybe out there people who want to apply Europe country, but they don't decide where they want to apply, where they want to go to work. So please share your experience with us and why you decide to move to the Poland. Okay, a little bit about yourself.
Thank you, Ms. Amanda. Thanks a lot. Hello everyone, I am Mohammad Nasir from Bangladesh. I am here around 18 years. Currently I am working on a company as a cleaning supervisor. Yeah, I heard from NASK, one of my friend, he got work permit and he want to move Poland. So I chose I want to move Europe for better life with my family and kids. And I searched a lot of consulting company, and I got this NAS, North American Services, very nice. And my friend also, he went Poland from this company, and finally also 1 year ago I applied for our permit. Finally I got it. I would like to recommend all of you guys, if you want to move Europe for better life, please apply this NAS, North American Services. Yeah, thank you so much all of you guys. Have a good day.
Thank you, Mr. Nasser. Okay. Yes, still working. Yes, Mr. Nasser, thank you for sharing about your life little bit and for your reference. Yes, we have a lot of Bangladeshi clients who's waiting for work permit and visa appointments, definitely. Let me a little bit explain your work permit, what is a package. It's not only work permit, what is a package includes, okay? Yeah. Here is your work permit.
Yeah.
Okay, it's original, stamped from the government, okay?
Yeah.
Your guarantee letter to get appointment in the embassy, okay? Letter of accommodation. Your contract with the company. Okay. Here mention how much salary you will receive each hour, and how many hours you're gonna work. What is your job there? You will be working as a packing job. You will pack the food industry. You're gonna work. Okay. Here is the embassy. For the embassy cover letter to get your appointment, there is an agreement. Okay, so it's not only work permit with full package, company providing everything for you, insurance, accommodation, and other than food, everything they are providing. Some companies they provide food, definitely. So yes, we wish you the better future. Yes, and thank you for reference. We will do all needful to get for you the visa appointment, definitely, and we will guide you until you travel and you join the company. Company are waiting for you. So good luck to you. Thank you everyone for watching. Anyone who want to apply for all kind of visa, not only Poland, Czech Republic, Italy, Bulgaria, Romania, Malta, Canada, for all kind of work permit, student visa, investment visa, any kind of citizenship, please feel free to contact us. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe our channel to know the next news, what is coming from our company. Thank you very much. Have a good day.
If you like this video, click on like, subscribe, and click on the ring button to be updated and notified about our latest video and about latest offers.